Oh yeah, good hit. Oh, jeez. Right, underneath I can see structure. Oh yeah, good hit. Oh, jeez. You have to bring this guy up. Maybe this. Oh, good size. Maybe this is the guy who probably was following earlier. This is a good grouper. My God, he didn't get much of a fight though, I will say that. But look at this guy, he is a good size. Just twitching it. All right. So, I think this is the guy who was after what I wanted. Look at him. He is a decent grouper. Let's get this out of you, mate. Well hooked. So this is the guy who was trying to get me earlier. Nice fish. Not really a good fighter though, I will say that, but he's probably tired of chasing all my trevallies around which I caught. So he was trying to get onto the lure as well. Funny little eyes. Lovely size. So let's give him a water release. Really good sized fish. Hey look, he deserves to go back. Good sized grouper. Nice calm release. Okay. He's gone. This place is amazing.